Welcome to the 2011 Bird Chevrolet Show and Shine.
I've got a feeling we could be seen.
Hi, my name is Jerry Ports. This is my 61 Chevrolet. I bought it back in 1986. This is the 50th year of the Chevrolet. It's quite a feature to have it here.
Before we go crazy.
Hi, Randy Emmerich, Duke, Iowa. 1936 Oldsmobile Business Coupe.
You got to know, I'd get off on 57 Chevys. I'd get off on screaming guitar. Like the way it gets me every time it hits me. I've got it rock and roll, I've got it rock and roll. It feels like we're falling into the arms of the night. So if you're not ready, don't be holding me so tight. I guess there's nothing left for me to explain. Here's what you're getting, and I don't want to change. I don't want to change. I get off on 57.
Hi, I'm Dennis Coleman, owner of W. Watts in Peter, Wisconsin. This is our 1999 Corvette.
Like the way it gets me every time it hits me. I've got it rock and roll.
What's your name?
Got it rock and roll.
Is this your car? Why do you like it? That's the engine. Does it go really fast?
Goes fast, right?
I don't need no glitter, no Hollywood. All you got to do is lay it down, and you lay it down good. I get off on 57 Chevys. I get off on screaming guitar. Like the way it gets me every time it hits me. I've got it rock and roll. I've got it rock and roll. I've got, you've got rock and roll heart. I've got, you've got rock and roll heart. I've got, you've got rock and roll heart. I've got, you've got rock.
Steve Plumley from Duke, Iowa, 73 Chevelle.
The low rider. The low rider is a little higher. Low rider drives a little slower. Low rider is a real goer. Hey. Low rider knows every street, yeah. Low rider is the one to meet, yeah.
I'm Keith Hilton from Dubuque here. This is a 55 Lincoln Capri, all Chevrolet drivetrain.
Gary Fobb, Duke, Iowa, 1965
65 Pontiac GTO.
Low rider, don't use no gas now. Low rider, don't drive too fast.
I'm Roger Miller, and it's a 1956 Chevrolet. It's got 46,000 original miles.
Take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip and see. Take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip with me.
Okay, Dave Walsh, and I just want to thank everybody for coming out to the Classic Car Show today. Had a great day for it. The weather probably in the mid-70s. Look at the cars. I mean, you look around, you see this is a passion that people have, and you look at these cars and you say this is kind of what these people do 2 or 3 times a week during the summer, and we're just happy to be part of it and think it was a great day. So we want to thank everybody for coming, and hopefully we'll be doing this in the years to come.